Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably doing a little review on Clickfunnels, okay? So you can see Clickfunnels on the page right now. You probably know that Clickfunnels is a funnel builder. You're having a look to see if it makes sense for your internet marketing business, okay? So who am I? My name's Aaron Chen. I've been online for 9 years, all right? I've been using Clickfunnels for about 2 years now, okay? Hands down, it is the best funnel building system out there, right? So if you want to build things like opt-in pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, which is basically the same thing. If you want to build out really complex or simple sales funnels, if you want to build out an automated webinar system, if you want to build out static sales pages, pretty much anything you want, they can do for you. Checkout pages. They integrate with pretty much all the really powerful and good autoresponders and merchant accounts, okay? And they are backed by the most ridiculous team out there, okay? So pretty much 24-hour support. And the guy behind it, Russell Brunson, he is also the guy, oh, I don't have the book right here, I usually do. Yeah, he's the one who created, .com secrets. Right? And this is where he talks about all the different types of funnels that you can use to build inside of your business. He's also the creator of Expert Secrets that basically talks about how to sell pretty much anything you want using the power of webinars, okay? So I'm a big believer in these guys. Now, they're not the cheapest guys out there, okay? There are people like Megaphone, leadpages, Optimize Press 2, Instapages. I've used all of them. All right, so I've spent money, I've invested my own hard-earned money, I've checked out all of these platforms. Clickfunnels is by far the best, okay? It's kind of like the Ferrari of the funnel building world. It's $97 a month. Again, not everybody can afford that. I think it's fine because if you think about it, it's the foundation of your business, right? So if you're gonna be cheap about building the foundation of your internet marketing business, then it's like building your business on quicksand, right? What you want to build is you want to build a skyscraper, right? Now, in order to build a powerful skyscraper, you're going to need a powerful foundation of rock, sandstone, and steel, and that's exactly what Clickfunnels is. The other thing is that it's not only easier to use, okay, it's easier to use, it's more robust, and it just looks better, man. Like if you build your site on Clickfunnels, you can tell that it's way nicer looking than leadpages, Instapages, Optimize Press 2, all that stuff. And it's drag and drop. And the thing is that the team behind Clickfunnels, they're doing so well, they're making so much money that their development team is huge, all right? So they're constantly improving. They also have all their own live events and stuff like that. And people that really go through their programs have made a lot of money. So is it a good program? Absolutely. 100% legit. Russell Brunson's the man. If you want to check out his podcast even, he's got a great podcast called Marketing Secrets. I listen to it pretty much every single day. He's one of my mentors. So again, completely up to you. Some people think it's a bit expensive to pay, but I mean, it's relative, right? I mean, how much would you pay to start a restaurant? Most people you'd have to probably spend $100,000 to $200,000 just to get started in a restaurant. So if you think about it, $97 just on the base of your business, which is basically all your online assets, which you can basically do with Clickfunnels, is relatively inexpensive. In fact, it's cheap. And $97 is cheap compared to spending $100,000, $200,000 on starting a brick and mortar business. I hope that makes sense, okay? But here's the thing. Clickfunnels alone is not going to make you successful, okay? So if you're here to understand whether Clickfunnels is a good product or not, it is a good product. It's really good. I mean, if you look on the page, this is just their marketplace section. You can you can go off and buy, if you want, more expensive, really good funnels. You can see there, right? But of course, there's a whole bunch of free funnels that you can use inside. And this is my funnel. These are the funnels that I've built out with them. I use them pretty much for everything, okay? But if you wanted to add a new funnel, I'm just going to show you really quickly. Okay, so this is the classic. Ooh, I gotta make this maybe a bit smaller. The classic funnel builder. You can basically choose what you want. See, you've got the daily deal funnel, you've got the video sales letter funnel, automated webinar, squeeze page, reverse page, lead page, demo page, survey funnel, product launch funnel, storefront, invisible funnel. I mean, there's so many that you can choose from, bridge funnel, right? So I'm just going to go to the simple one, which is a squeeze page funnel. I'm just going to show you guys how simple this is, right? So he gives you instructions first of all, and then you can choose from a bunch of funnels that you can use. Then if you want to get more expensive ones, which you don't need to do, by the way, I don't use any of the paid funnels here. I just use the free ones, and you can fully customize them yourself. So even if you started with the Luminos squeeze page funnel, you could 100% customize it, right? So you don't have to use it the way it is. It's just a template, okay? That's what's so cool about ClickFunnels. But here is the reality of the situation, okay? So let me get rid of this. All right, so when it comes to instant marketing, I'm assuming that you're here because you're doing a review on ClickFunnels and you want to find out whether it's going to help you to make money, right? But the reality is that ClickFunnels is just one of the tools that you need to build a business. Now, it doesn't matter what you're selling, okay? If you're doing e-commerce, if you're doing, you can see my wife walking in the background there. If you're doing e-commerce, if you're doing network marketing, MLM, if you're doing affiliate marketing, right? Clickbank, JVZoo, maybe you've got your own affiliate program that you're trying to sell. If you're doing digital products, that means you're creating your own products and you're trying to sell them, right? It doesn't matter what you're selling online. You need a sales funnel in order to bring people through a process in order for them to know, like, and trust you and then buy at the checkout, okay? But on its own, ClickFunnels isn't going to do anything. So that's the first thing, right? So funnel builder equals ClickFunnels. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need. But that's not all you need, okay? You need, and the ClickFunnels will do your landing pages, it'll do your whole sales funnel, it'll do your upsells, it'll do your tripwires, it'll do all that stuff for you. It'll do your checkout, it'll lead you to your affiliate offer if that's what you want to do. But the funnel builder on its own is not enough, okay? You need an autoresponder as well. Now, an autoresponder is basically a website, a software that collects emails on the front end and follows up with your prospects. If you don't have an autoresponder, you basically don't have a business, right? Autoresponder, can't spell. The one that I use, again, there's so many out there. I use GetResponse, okay? But you can also use ones like Aweber. There's another one called Infusionsoft, there's Drip, there's so many out there, okay? But GetResponse, relatively inexpensive, $17 a month, and it's pretty simple to use, okay? The third thing that you must have is you must have tracking. You must have a tracking system, otherwise you don't know where your leads are coming from, you don't know which leads, which source of traffic is making sales and profit for you, right? So if you don't do that, it's kind of like putting on a blindfold, spinning around 10 times, someone giving you a shotgun and you just shooting and trying to hit a target. You're never going to hit the target, all right? So I use something called ClickMagic, okay? And it's really, really good. So again, I know that this is a ClickFunnels review, but you know now, you've seen it, it's the best one. I mean, I've invested in pretty much all the different funnel building softwares out there. First of all, you need one, okay? So if you think you can build your internet marketing business without a funnel builder, it's like trying to start a restaurant without the restaurant. Does that make sense? You can't do it, all right? Trying to start a Dunkin' Donuts or a donut shop without actually having the shop, you can't do it. It's impossible, right? So you must have it. It's a prerequisite. It's not a question of whether you need to get one. You need to get one, okay? I'm just telling you that because if you don't do it, you're not going to make any money online, okay? You also need an autoresponder because you can't follow up with your customers, and you need tracking because you can't track without a tracker, okay? So without all of these things combined, you're going to be in big, big trouble. So first and foremost, ClickFunnels is awesome, all right? But here's the other thing. The other thing that you need, though, is you need knowledge and training, okay, and mindset. So these three things, unfortunately, ClickFunnels is not going to give that to you, right? Because ClickFunnels is the tool, all right? It doesn't teach you how to actually market and build the business. It gives you the funnels and all that stuff, but it doesn't actually show you how to do it. So even though I do use ClickFunnels, I use a completely different program to teach me how to do things like posturing, how to present, okay, how to influence my customers, how to get them to know, like, and trust me, how to add value, how to convert, how to market, and how to drive traffic, okay? These things are very, very important too, because if you're not doing that, then what's going to happen is you're just going to have a funnel, but it's not going to do anything. You're not going to be able to drive people through it. You don't really know why they're not buying. There's a lot of different things that you need to learn and implement in your business if you want to be successful, okay? So First 8 years that I was online, failed miserably. The last year and a half, really figured this stuff out, generated hundreds of sales using Clickfunnels, using my autoresponder, my tracking system, and most importantly, number 4, I finally learned about how to market online. I got the right training, I got the right mentorship, and I got the right mindset to finally succeed after being online for 8 years. So I've been online for about 9.5 years now, right? So what was the changing factor? Well, if you want to check out what I used to actually finally figure out how to market online properly, how to get the right mindset, how to influence, how to posture, how to position, how to convert, then you can check out the program by clicking on the link right below. Completely up to you, of course, okay? Again, this is not for everybody, but I think that this program can literally be used to market anything, okay? If you wanted to market an MLM, network marketing company, if that's what you're doing, if you're doing affiliate marketing, maybe you're doing Clickbank, maybe you've got your own digital program, maybe you've got a service, maybe you have a brick and mortar business. It doesn't matter what it is. Maybe you have an insurance company, right? It doesn't matter what you have. This program is going to teach you how to become a powerful marketer, a powerful entrepreneur, so that you can use these 3 things right here in order to generate real significant income online, okay? Completely up to you if you want to check it out, but you can, if you want, by clicking on the link right below. My name is Aaron Chen. I wish you all the best in your business. I hope you enjoyed this review of Clickfunnels, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.